Hello Vidyanjalites. Good morning. Welcome back to our social class. Myself Lalita from Social Department. In up to yesterday's class, you have completed successfully that lesson number 11 are natural resources, isn't it? Yes. Now, today onwards, what we have to do? Yes, we have to complete our textual exercises. Am I right? Yes. Okay, come to the lesson number 11, textual exercises. I will send the pic and you have to complete this textual exercises with neat handwriting. Okay, while you're writing whatever it is, textbook or notebook or CW or HW, whatever you are writing, please maintain neat handwriting. It's a humble request. Please cooperate with your parents and how you are writing in the class, same like that you have to write the notes at home also. That's what we are calling as homeschooling. Am I right? Yeah. You have to follow the instructions and complete your CW. Not only my subject, any subject you have to write with neat handwriting. After the textual exercises, what we have to do? Yes, we have to complete our notebook. Already we have completed lesson number 8. Okay? Yeah. In the index page, this is a new book. 100 pages, double rule book. Am I right? 100 pages, double rule book, new book this is. Everybody started in the new book? Yes, already in the index page we have completed our agriculture lesson and also we finished that notes also. While you are writing the notes, please follow the instructions. While you start before starting your notes, you have to mention the date and day, today's date and day, and write down the heading with the neat handwriting. You should touch the lines. How I am sending the pics and how I am sending the video, same like that you have to follow my instructions and use the finger space and write the first letter capitals, sometimes end with the full stop or end with the question mark, like that. You have to follow the instructions and write your notebook very neatly. Shall you do that? Yes. Shall we start our notes? Yes. Coming to the next lesson, lesson number 11 are natural resources. Let's have a look. Children, today we are going to write our textual exercises of lesson number 11 are natural resources. Okay. Come to the page number 78. Here, checkpoints. Once go through this. First one. What the heading? Write 4 examples of each. Gift of nature. Any 4 examples. Gift of nature. What are the gifts to be given by the nature? Yes, water, air, soil and forests. Please write with a neat handwriting. See how I wrote. Please maintain like that. If I am sending these pics means you have to write and you have to follow the instructions and you have to write like that. So many parents are saying my daughter is not writing like this, madam. Yes, you have to do it. What you are doing at home? Any work you are doing? No, nothing. Just you have to follow the homeschooling classes. Okay. Next one. Human-made resources, which are buildings, roads, machines and electricity. These 4 are human-made resources. Already we know that. Next, exhaustible resources. Exhaustible resources means these are there in the limited quantity on the earth. So we have to use that properly and we should use and we should save and protect them. Okay. What are those? Iron, copper, coal, petroleum. Any 4 answers, any 4 relevant answers you have to write. Okay. Next, come to the page number 8080. Please mention today's date and day and underline with a crayon. Please, whatever heading we have to underline with the crayon. Just a small work. It's not taking much time. Okay. First one. Fill in the blanks. First one. A dash is used to generate electricity from wind. From the wind. What is that? Yes, that is windmill. Through the windmill, we can produce the electricity. That is called wind energy. Okay. Next one. A dash runs on coal. Which one? Car, bus, steam engine or scooter? Yes, steam engine. Steam engine spelling without mistake. Please write with a neat handwriting. Next. The energy we get from the sun is called dash energy. That is solar energy. From the sun what we are getting, that energy is called as solar energy. D is the correct answer. Next. The dash are called green gold. Which are called green gold in green color? Yes, those are plants. Next. Write true or false. First one, a gift of nature becomes a resource when it satisfies human needs. Those are satisfying our human needs. Is it true? Yes, those are given by the God, gift of nature. Yes, it's true. Second one, we can create existable resources. Existable means limited. Can we create that? Recreate? No. So it is false. Next, the other name of petroleum is black gold. Yes, it's called as black gold. True. Petroleum is called as black gold. Next, hydroelectricity is generated from water. Yes, it's from the water what we are generating, that electricity is known as hydroelectricity. Hydro means water. Okay, it's true. Next, we must pollute the air. Shall we pollute the air? Is it a good habit? No. We can save we can protect our environment. Okay, we should not pollute the air. It's false. Okay, in page number 81, small activities they have given. Please complete this activity and this also. If you are interested, please do this. Okay, after that we are going to write our CW new words. Already I have shown this. This is a new book, to 100 pages double rule book. Already we have completed the lesson number 8 in the index also. That notes also we have completed. Now then leave one line, put serial number 2 and what is the date? Today's date 17-11-20 and lesson number 11 are natural resources. How I am writing, how I am touching the lines, please maintain like that. Use finger space while you are writing. Okay, now come to this page. Already before lesson activity also maybe you are completed. Now coming to the next page. What is this? Yes, mention page number mention today's date and day and underline neatly with a crayon. Then in the first line take one finger space, L capital, lesson number 11. Again O capital, it's a heading, no, first letters are capitals. Are natural resources, underline neatly with a crayon. For writing, for neat handwriting, you should use a sharpened pencil and nice and neat and clean eraser. Okay. Then leave one line. Come to the next line. New word setting and capital here. Now first one and 1 or 2 I am writing on the page and I will show. Then after you can continue and I will send the pic. Through that you have to continue with the neat handwriting. Okay. The first word is electricity. See, one I wrote and underlined also. Electricity. Small e. Start with small e. E-L-E-C-T-R-I-C-I-T-Y. Electricity. See how I wrote? By touching the lines. You can also write like this. Please maintain neat handwriting. Second one, windmill. Again start with the stroke. W-I-N-D. Wind. M-I-L-L. Mill. Windmill. Next come to the third word. Underline with the crayon. Minerals. Start with the small m. M-I-N-E-R-A-L-S. Minerals. Okay. Remaining I will send by the pic. Please complete like that. And 10 words are there mostly. And you have to write with a neat handwriting. And okay, by the following the instructions, you have to complete your notes. Tomorrow we have to complete the question and answers part. Okay. Thank you. Have a nice day.